to remember that it's not just about the presents, even though we're here to talk about toys for kids who don't have them, but it's about the spirit of service, the belief that in this country, we should look out for each other. Because the truth is that no matter what anybody says, we are all in this country together. And I don't want you to let anybody else make you think anything different. You all belong here. That is true. And that's true not just during the holidays, but every single day of the year. And especially on what is the 75th anniversary of Pearl Harbor, when we acknowledge the sacrifice of so many. I want to say a very special thank you to our service members who are here today.